So the question is, are there any myths that I can debunk about general contractors? I love this question because I think the main myth about general contractors is that they want projects to go on for a long time. We hear homeowners will say things like, oh, he's trying to stretch out the project. He wants it to, this can't go on forever. Well, the funny thing is general contractors want exactly the opposite, right? For them, they have to pay for labor costs every single day that they have workers on your project is another day that they have to incur those costs. So their ideal project is one that starts and ends on exactly the schedule that they have laid out so they can take that crew and move them to another project. General contractors do not want your project to go on indefinitely. They want it to be done as quickly as possible, just like you do.